Hi, so Porsche Carrera 911. This is a 2018 model year Carrera 4 GTS problem. And I believe it's a common problem. This is 6 years old, this car now. But I started to notice that the engine cover, aero deck, whatever you want to call it, the gas struts won't hold it anymore. Apparently this is a common problem after 5 years. So this is a quick video to show you how to change the gas struts. So this is the issue right here. This is the gas strut, one on each side. This is the right hand side of the car. Just not enough pressure, back pressure, to keep the aero deck up anymore. So we're gonna remove this and replace it. Okay, so note the spring clip around the outside of the socket. The spring clip retains the socket onto the ball. So there's a small gap in there for a flat bladed screwdriver. Just slip the flat bladed screwdriver in. Don't go mad, you don't need lots of force. Just work it backwards and forwards. The spring clip will start to raise. You don't need to take the spring clip off. Then a little bit of lateral force that way will take the socket from the ball. Once you've got the upper section done, it's exactly the same to do the lower section. Again, don't go mad with the spring clip, you only have to raise it somewhat. And then lateral force will bring it away. So this is the old part and the new part side by side. This is the old part, so you can see the part number there. That's the Porsche part number. So if you Google that, you'll get results for the Porsche part number, which is going to cost you about 60 quid a side. They are made by a company called Stabilis and for Porsche, but obviously they print that part number on it. They obviously make their own one, and this is the part number of their own one. So it's a Stabilis part, and this is the new part. So you can see that 907755 is printed on it, but not the Porsche part number, but it is identical. They are both 165 millimeters socket to socket, and they are both, as you can see, 170 newtons of force. So everybody loves a bargain. So literally they will cost you £30, so literally half price. So it now comes to fitting the new part on. I would have said maybe put a bit of grease on just to lubricate, but I notice inside the new part there is actually a bit of grease in there, so I'm just going to fit them on. No tools required, just a little bit of lateral load. So literally that's it on there. Now this is gonna need a little bit of jiggery pokery because it needs to obviously be at the exact height. So just offer it up, just wiggle the deck up and down a little bit, and it's engaged. And that is the hardest day's work you'll do in your life. So I'll just show you on this side as well. So just for comparison, the air deck is staying up on its own with just one put on the other side, so it just goes to show how the other ones have failed. I mean, these things have been around for years, since the, I think, advent of the hatchback, maybe, I don't know, 1980 odd. But anyway, Stabilis Lift-O-Matic. So again, there's already grease in the socket, so place it on. You can see the spring extending, clips in. Bring up the top end, just lifting the deck a little bit, and it doesn't need a lot of pressure. It is as easy as it looks. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope that was useful. So this is 2018 911 991.2. Have a nice day.